In this video, I'll show you how to transfer photos from your Samsung smartphone to your Mac. With that being said, let's begin. Connect your Samsung smartphone to the computer using the data transfer cable. Now click on Allow. Now let's jump into the computer. On your computer, you need to open an app named Image Capture. You don't have to install it. This is present on your MacBook by default. Now this will display all the pictures that are present on your Samsung smartphone. Select the picture that you want to download. Now click on import to downloads, or you can select the destination of your choice. Now click on download. This will download the photos on your Mac. So that's it about the video guys. For more videos like this, subscribe to iOS Droids.